everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you all some patterns that I have been accumulating since I've arrived here in Georgia. I almost surprised myself at how many I've gotten, and I've just been kind of shopping sales as they come up. So this goes back to like July, that of patterns that I'm going to share with you all, and I'll get like 3 when there's a sale of Vogues, 2 Butterick, 8 Mccalls, 7 Simplicity. So it's a pretty big haul. I'm going to go through it as quickly as I can, so let's go ahead and get started. The first pattern that I'm going to share is Simplicity 9388. I love this pattern, and I believe it's going to be super popular in the sewing community for the fall and winter season. I've already seen a lot of people making it, and I'm going to make me one. I actually just cut my fabric out that I want to use for this today, and I'm going to be using a tweed. So yeah, I'm just super excited to get started on this one. And again, it's Simplicity 9388. If you all have any of these patterns, let me know down below. I would love to know if we have any of the same ones. This one right here is Simplicity 9273, and I got this one because I just needed some more tops that I could pair with jeans to wear to work. So this one right here is a knit pattern. It just says Mrs. Knit Top with scoop neck and sleeve variations. I believe this is like an easy to sew pattern. It doesn't say it on the envelope, but I mean, it should just be the front, the back, the sleeve, and the neckband. So again, I just picked up a lot of patterns, and you'll see some more top patterns that I picked up because I just want easy things that I can make and also wear to work. So this one again is Simplicity 9273. The next one that I picked up is Butterick 6051. This one, I turned on the back and I saw the line drawing for View C, and I loved it. I got this, I believe, toward the top of the summer, like around June or maybe July when we first got here, and I just thought it would be fantastic to just put on and wear to work with some sandals, but I didn't get around to making it. But I love View C. They didn't really do justice here with the design of the pattern for the model, but I feel like it's a really good pattern or design when you look on the back at the line drawing. So I really want to make View C from this one, and again, it's Butterick 6051. I may have to wait till next year when it starts to warm up, but this is the one I have. The next one is Simplicity 9270, and I just recently finished this. I made View A on the pattern. It's just a simple button-up top. It only has 3 buttons. It's a really easy pattern to sew up. You have the front, the back, the sleeve, the collar, and the front-facing piece, and that was it. You had a cute little top. But I love this little matching set here. I didn't make the pants, I just made the top. And again, I'm just looking for easy to sew top patterns. That's kind of my priority right now. Tops and or just easy dresses and things that I can wear to work. So I got this one to make the top, and I made it. The next one here is Simplicity 9373. This is just a little cardigan pattern. I honestly was going to pass on this one, but then I saw View C sleeves and I thought that was cute. I have plenty of cardigan patterns, so I really don't want to do that. Also a thing, I have patterns obviously in storage, so I'm not really trying to buy too much of things I already know unless I absolutely want to make it again. I'm going to show you a couple patterns that I went ahead and bought doubles of because I just wanted to make it. But I saw View C and I thought that was cute and something different, the little oversized sleeve that it has on this pattern, so I went ahead and got it. The next one here is Simplicity 9330. This is a Mimi G for Simplicity pattern. I love this jumpsuit, the strapless sweetheart neckline, the little wrap detail. Love it. Again, this is one that I got toward July when it was warmer. I didn't get around to making it, but I have it. So this one and a lot more of these will just have to wait until next season because I'm not going to sew this now. It's getting cool. So yeah, I have it. Simplicity 9330. This one right here is, I got this one from the display, so the number is a little different. The number from the drawer is Simplicity 9375. If you get the display, you'll have the same number, which is R11225. And it's just this really cute little skirt pattern. We have a lot of plaids here at Melanated Fabric, so I got this because I thought it would be cute to make. But then I remembered I really don't want to sew with plaids. I don't want to sew with any directional prints right now, just because when I do have time to sew, And I'm sewing here at work because again, we're waiting for our house to get built, so I don't have my sewing stuff at home. So when I'm here at work, I don't want to spend my time sewing and matching up lines and plaids and designs. I don't have time for that, but I got this pattern anyway, and I would still love to make it in a solid. I love the little twist detail as well as the wrap detail here on this pattern. The next pattern that I have is Vogue 1821. I thought this was a super cute little dress. I will definitely make this one. We have some corduroys here at the store that I think would be amazing for this. So yeah, it's just a cute little dress. I'm not really that big of a fan of the back of it with like the separate gather situation, but I might end up loving it, and this may end up being my favorite dress ever. So I'm gonna give it a chance. Again, it's Vogue 1821. The next one here is Vogue 9334. I love this little jacket with the belt pattern. Not really crazy about the pants, but I do want to make the jacket on this. I love both of the views, view A and view B, so I got it. This one right here is Mccalls 8088. I'm going to tell you exactly how far back these patterns go. I bought this pattern because I was going to make view B to wear to Mama G's wedding. If you don't know, Mama G is Mimi G's mom. She got married at the top of August, and I went and bought this pattern to wear to it. We are now at the top of October. So that's how long I've had these patterns, y'all, or I've been accumulating them. And again, some of these go back to June when we first got here, but I got this one because, like I said, I wanted to wear it to the wedding. I ended up wearing a dress from Zara, but if any other event comes up, I have a cute little dress I can make for it. The next one is also a little top, another knit top pattern. This number is Simplicity 9385. I thought this sweater was cute. I really like view C on it, so when I do get around to making it, which would be soon because we have a lot of knits that I could use, some really cute knits. And so I want to make view C from this pattern here. Again, just to pair it with some jeans and wear it to work. That is my vibe right now. I need work clothes, all right? Next up is Simplicity 8613. I got this pattern for Jerome. I really do feel like I already have this in my stash, but I took the chance and I went ahead and got it again. I really do like view B, the design on this one, so I got this one for Hubs. I also got this one right here for Hubs. I think he would like these little shorts just to kind of wear and lounge around the house in, so I got those. And the real number is Simplicity 9338. So I got these for Jerome. This one right here I picked up for myself. I love these pants, and this is Simplicity 9381. These pants are amazing. The version that partner made, kind of out of that denim like chambray like fabric, love, love, love. So I went ahead and got this one. They were recently on sale for like 99 cents, I think maybe toward the middle of last month, so I went ahead and got it. The next one here is Vogue 1746. I made view A on this pattern. I made it out of a lightweight polyester fabric that we have here in the store, and it was just cute. I paired it with a cami, some jeans, so I really do like this pattern. If you're interested in like a lightweight little robe or a duster, I'd recommend this one. It was really easy to sew up to. The next one that I picked up was this Mccalls pattern. This was a double. I feel like I have this in my stash already, but I went ahead and got it because during that time when I picked it up, I thought, oh, I would make this. You know, this would be great. Didn't get around to making it. This is Mccalls 8218. But if I do realize that I do have it when I get my patterns, then I will just give this one away. So yeah, I thought I would have had a time to make it, but I didn't. But it's okay. Next up is Vogue 1834. This pattern right here, I made the top. I made the long sleeve version. Love it. Would definitely recommend it. I will say though that the sleeve, whichever one that you have off the shoulder, is gonna go past your wrist and maybe fall into your palm of your hand. So just keep that in mind. You may want to go in a little bit more on that seam or just slouch it up on your arm, which is what I did. But I really did like this pattern. Again, it's Vogue 1835. This next one here is Simplicity 8558. This is a double. I know I have it in my stash, but I went ahead and bought it again because I wanted to make the pants. And I did make them. I'll pop up a picture here for you all to see. I made it out of some pink plaid fabric. That was the project that made me go, I'm not sewing with plaids right now. But I really did love the way it turned out. So I have this pattern here. This one right here is Mccalls 8194. can't remember if I got this one or not. I feel like I may have, but I'm really not sure. I will get around to making this one. I think it's really cute. So yeah, I have this pattern here. This one here is Mccalls 8036. I bought this one because I thought, okay, if I didn't like the other Mccalls pattern for the wedding, I could make view B for the wedding. So that's why I bought this one. And I feel like I also have this one in my pattern stash. So if I have doubles, I'll just give away whatever I have. I mean, they were just 99 cents or $1.99, so I don't feel like it's a huge loss, and I can just give it to someone that doesn't have it. So again, Mccalls 8036. The next one I bought was this Roscoe from True Bias, the blouse and the dress, yeah, blouse and dress. I actually have this in PDF form, but I want it again because, again, I know I will make the blouse and love it and wear it with jeans, and I know I will wear the dress. So I went ahead and got this pattern. The next one here is Simplicity 8839. I bought this one because, again, tops pattern. I need more tops to wear to work, so this is a pattern here that I got. The next one is Simplicity 9370. I did not buy this pattern. I just borrowed it from partner's house while I was over there. But I love it. I think it's super just fabulous. And I cannot wait to make this one. And the last pattern is the True Bias Nico dress. I'm excited to make this one. I actually just cut out fabric for it downstairs. So yeah, I feel like this is going to be a nice, easy sew. And that's what I need right now in my life. That is all for my pattern haul. Thank you all so much for watching. I know I went by like really fast, but I did that because it was a lot of patterns, number one, and number two, it was a lot of patterns. So I'm just kind of going through them as fast as I could. But let me know down in the comments if y'all have any questions. If you have any of the same ones, I would love to know which ones that y'all have. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned to see the ones that I get to first and make. And I'll see you all in the next one. Blessings, everyone. Bye.